Hello everyone. Today I'm growing baby lettuce. Baby lettuce is just lettuce picked earlier. Since we don't let it grow to maturity, we can plant many seeds in a much smaller space. I'm using these seeds from Bibb. These are Bibb lettuce seeds. Bibb lettuce is part of the butterhead family, which also includes Boston lettuce. Here you can see the nutritional values listed by the USDA. I plant my baby lettuce in 10 by 10 trays, 2 trays really, one with holes and a second one without holes to catch the water that might be draining from the soil. I'm using an organic potting mix. This one is from Miracle-Gro. I sprinkle about a tablespoon of seeds onto the moist soil and then give the seeds a nice spray of water and cover them up. Okay, here it is just 2 days later and you can see the seeds have started to germinate. Given the right conditions and fresh seeds, you will see germination very quickly. Now it's again 2 days later, so this is now 4 days after planting the seeds, and you can see the seedlings are starting to poke their heads up and look around. Alright, it's day 5 and I decided to leave the lettuce plants uncovered and in a sunny window, and you can see how much they've grown and greened up since yesterday. I usually keep my lettuce growing under grow lights, but I ran out of space, so these found their way to a sunny window, and they seem to be doing okay. They probably would have grown faster if they were under grow lights, but you can only use what you have, and I had no more space under the grow lights. Okay, today is day 7 and the lettuce is really starting to fill out more. You could call these microgreens at this stage, but they are really too tender to eat right now and there's not much to them. They need to grow a little and have a little more substance before we harvest them. Now we're at day 9 and the lettuce is filling up the tray very nicely, but still not ready for me to eat yet. And here we are on day 20, so these greens are almost 3 weeks old. You can harvest them now and any time after this for a great addition to your salad. You can also just harvest some of the tray and let the rest grow a bit more. In another 2 weeks, these plants will be close to maturity. Cut these as you use them. Don't cut them all and put them in the refrigerator. They are much better when you eat them freshly harvested. If you want to set this up so you always have baby greens to harvest, you have to think about how much you use and how long it takes to grow. And then plant the seeds on a schedule to be ready to harvest when you are ready to eat. Let's say one tray will feed you or your family for a week, together with your other plants and microgreens. Since this tray took 3 weeks to grow, you would need to plant a new tray each week for 3 weeks so that you have 3 trays always growing baby lettuce at different stages. If you find this isn't enough, then plant more, but start with 1 tray each week until the first tray is harvested, then plant again. If you find you don't harvest an entire tray, you can plant less. If you grow these plants longer than 2 to 3 weeks, you will need to add fertilizer. It really is nice to have lettuce growing in the house, always fresh, always ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment. I really appreciate it, and thank you for watching. Bye.